and amazing teachers that I had that were very dedicated.
Thank you all my teachers and tutors for encouragement.
I had good teachers supporting.
The person who motivated me was my English teacher.
I want to give a shout out to my GED teacher, Miss Henry at Lone Star. She's just the awesomest teacher ever.
Thank you to all my teachers, especially Mr. Kyowo.
My educators there, best teachers ever, and they helped me graduate.
And I want to thank all the educators over there at GED, all the administrators, everybody that helped me throughout this process, my family, my friends.
And I'm thankful I passed. Thank you for everything.